Hello everybody, my name's Slimo, and welcome back to another video. As you know, I've been playing every single Watch Dogs game. I haven't had any videos of Watch Dogs 1, but I have played Watch Dogs 1 and Watch Dogs 2. If you guys seen my Watch Dogs 2 videos, you know how some craziness can happen in this game. So yeah, I'm very excited to start this game, and I hope you guys like this video. We're going to turn on permadeath. Make the game a little more interesting. Let's start. Oh, okay. Yes. Can we start? I think I'm so worried. Oh, here we go.
Ah, London. What a town. History around every corner and a tourist photographing it. Pubs serving up a pint and a smile. All that music, theatre and art. And multiculturalism. And the world's oldest underground, the Tube. The class of cities, really. Top shelf stuff. Only took 12,000 years to build it up, and one night to tear it all down.
Okay. I'm not gonna try to talk during the cutscenes. I'm gonna try to let you guys see it. Oh, here we go. I'm so excited. Dalton. Okay.
What's our status?
Perimeter security's down.
Oh, hello, Goofball. For watching this. Hello. Ah, this is so exciting. Yes, my school did end early, so that's why I'm doing this. There we go. Ubisoft presents.
I'm in.
Is this guy like a spy? I don't know.
Any idea what we're up against, Bagley?
If you haven't brushed off, I might. Ever consider leaving these security threats to the authorities?
That's rich, Bagley. The government would sooner arrest us for trying to help than actually do something useful.
We'll have to sort this one on our own.
Carefully, Dalton.
Bagley, are you detecting a little worry in Sabine's voice?
Brilliant. Asking the computer about feelings. This explains so much.
Shut it, you two, and get to work.
There she is.
Oh, here we go. Oh, we're in. Okay, that button's crouch. What button's run? Oh,
Their profiles are heavily encrypted. No identifying
what button?
information.
X. Okay.
Ghosts in this system.
Okay.
That hurt you more than it hurt me.
Do us a favor and keep it quiet, Dalton.
If they don't shoot
Look at this
I
Goofball.
won't shoot them. How's
Oh, I can't do it. I can't do the side to side thing. Oh. What button? B? How do I? Where do I go? Oh. Oh, I don't know what I'm doing. Where do I go? Up here? I better not be going back the same way I went. Oh. Oh. Explode? Yeah, a little taekwondo action here. Owie. Oh, I see something I can hack. I don't see any enemies. Oh, look, I'm all blurry. Okay. I think we gotta move this way. Oh. Yeah, there we go. Oh, one of these things.
Dead set gear down here. And why do you suppose that is?
What? How did they get their hands on it?
I don't know.
Wait, what?
But someone wants to make it look like DedSec was here.
Oh
You need
no.
to proceed with extreme caution, Dalton.
Who are these men in black anyway?
Nothing identifying. I suspect that's by design.
So they're trying to frame us, guys. We better stop them then.
Oh, fuck.
What is this?
Jesus.
Do you guys see this?
Bagley, is that...
RDX nitrogen. Enough to level Parliament.
Can you locate a detonator, Bagley?
Not exactly, but there's a device streaming a fuckload of encrypted data from the floor above you.
Yeah, that fits the bill. On my way.
Bagley, is that not the detonator?
No, but it's a transmitter sending a signal to a device on the floor above us. Safe to assume that would be the detonator we're looking for.
Oh, I did something, guys. I think I messed up. Oh. Oh, ow.
They've staged DedSec propaganda all around the bombs. These pricks are going to blow up Parliament and hang it on us.
Not if you get to that detonator first.
Ah, everything's all black. Yes, I'm going to censor this once I turn this into a video. He's almost gone. Owie. Owie, guys. Look at all these bombs, though. Oh my goodness. Guys, okay. Okay, I'm kind of liking this. I'm really liking this. Open. Open the... Wow. I tried doing that. Off to the roof. What is this?
Right in the House of Commons. Whoever these men in black are, they've got brass bollocks to set up in the centre of government.
Oh no, that doesn't sound good. Look at this, a little box. Dude, what are you doing? Don't stare off. I like the combat already, guys, compared to Watch Dogs 2, where you just like one punch and they're dead. I like this one.
Bagley, I'm going to need some help with this.
Yes, you are, but sadly I'm locked out.
We don't have a chance without Bagley.
Wait, I might know a workaround. We trained in manual overrides at MI5.
You're full of surprises. Be quick about it.
All right, Bagley, do your thing.
I'm in.
Oh, nice phone, bro.
And the bonds have just armed themselves. Well, that may complicate matters.
Oh no.
For sake. Can you defuse them or not?
I might also trip another failsafe and vaporize you, so fair warning.
Expect this to draw some attention your way, Dalton.
Oh, I'm counting on it.
Company at our back door.
Oh no.
We've got some heat
Oh,
here,
what's
okay?
going on?
How long's this going to take, Bagley?
Depends how often you interrupt me with questions.
All right, everyone. Faces on, guns out. It's about to get real.
Why don't we have guns? Why doesn't Dalton have one? Oh no, no, that's not good. That's not good. No, no, they have AKs. What are we gonna do? Oh, we're gonna put on our gas mask. What's going on? Are we gonna hand fight them? Is that even possible? Whoa, I love how we got. I love how we have a gun now.
Let's keep looking.
Bagley, update.
Whoa, I like this. I like this. Oh, that's not good.
Still working.
Bagley, tell me you're close.
I'm through security. Now waiting
Goofball,
through
do you see this new
decoy
the new
code
guns?
for the detonation sequence.
Oh, I like this, guys. I like this. I'm getting used to this. Welcome to Watch Dogs Legion. Are we in a church? Guys, I'm on a streak. Let's go. go. Time before reset. Oh. Gotta stay in the area. Defusing the bombs. How do I reload? Is it why? I'm so confused.
Problem, Dalton. I need your physical appendages now.
Physical, physical, physical. Let's go.
What's wrong?
There are 3 slots on the left. One of
That was amazing. I like this.
the controller wire.
You're fucking kidding me.
No, I'm not. Pull the wire.
This gets me blown up.
Just do it. Finally, you're okay. See? You're fine.
See? That wasn't so bad, was it?
Bagley, you bastard. You nearly gave me a bloody heart attack then.
Oh.
Whoa.
What?
Looking at.
It appears Parliament
What is
on the
this?
target. More bombs are going live as we speak.
On screen, Bagley.
No.
Now we need to get the word out. Those sites need to be evacuated.
They're spread out all over London. There isn't any time.
But my sister's at the town conference. We have to do something.
I picked up a transmitter on the roof that is sending out a signal to the
No.
other bomb sites. If you can reach it,
Guys.
Go down.
Oh. Oh. I forgot how to run. Okay, so it's like Watch Dogs 1 and 2, like controls fused together.
Her protocol is to protect everything, including Bagley.
Ammo.
I need him for the transmitter.
I know, but if they get him, they get everything. Names, ops, locations.
Okay, I'll do it the old-fashioned way. Wipe him.
yes, wipe me.
Do it, Sabine.
Acquire access.
Okay, Bagley's down. You're on your own. Dalton, if this goes...
Oh, I see.
It won't. I'll see you at the rally point. I promise.
Good luck.
Okay, here we go. Hacker skills, guys. Hacker skills. Hacker skills. We're gonna save London, guys. We're gonna save it. I think we got the key. We got the key. Good, good. We got the key.
I can help you. Yeah, they were there. Last I saw. Check it out.
Whoa, there's a guy. Oh, guys. Stop! Go back down! Why is to reload? Okay, got it. I got the controls now. Oh, we're off to the roof, right? We're safe. What are we gonna do up here?
Okay.
What's going on? I'm so scared.
Bingo.
Bingo! We did it. We saved London. What is that? Guys, what's that? What? What is this? What is this? What is that?
Oh, you still think you're here to save London? I'm afraid that's not going to happen. You're here.
Who is that?
Important work.
Important work. Killing thousands of...
Oh no, Dalton, no!
To save the world. You do know Londoners have died before. Hmm? The plague, the Great Fire, the Blitz. It's not much fun. But destruction is always the cure. And it
Oh, it's
begins
not.
today. Zero Day.
Oh, what the? What is? Oh no. No, no, no. What is no?
Time for a hard reset.
Oh my god.
What the? What the? Dalton, my bro, what happened to you? I thought you were better than that. Just kidding. Rest in peace, guys. R.I.P. Dalton.
Explosions devastated 3 sites in London. Authorities are asking residents to remain in their homes as the situation continues to develop.
Ooh, God. This is so bad.
Mourners gathered for a series of candlelight vigils that brought closure to thousands of families and indeed to an entire city.
Look at that destruction. We must get the 0 day.
When Nigel Cass, CEO of private military company Albion, received a mandate to secure London. Cass has vowed to hunt down DedSec, terrorists responsible
No, don't hunt us down. We didn't do it.
for edge artificial intelligence systems and autonomous drones to capture the remaining members of DedSec. A stark
Oh no.
Corporations are posting record profits due to increased efficiencies in production and distribution, enabled by the use of technologies initially developed and approved for security purposes.
long overdue cleanup as crime numbers take a dive. Illegal gambling, drug trafficking and prostitution all down following prosecutions of the leaders of 4 of London's 5 largest criminal syndicates. The streets of Camden and Brixton.
Londoners, as Albion's mandate is extended indefinitely by the government, life finally begins to return to normal.
Look what they're doing to poor bald man.
Been lifted in all boroughs.
Bald man. What are these guys doing?
Reports of rioting in Trafalgar Square have been greatly exaggerated.
What is going
possibly by
on?
foreign meddlers pushing a false narrative through social media. Albion is in complete control of a few.
Reprimand the public about the circulation of fake news, conspiracy theories persisting in dark corners of
Conspiracy
the internet, that
theories?
terrorists, DedSec,
Game theory?
have been roundly rejected. Our own
Yeah, we have been framed.
Find
Get
a
it right,
single
people.
Londoner willing to
On the
espouse
news.
it is on camera. The facts are any other story.
Oh wow. Oh wow, that was scary. Okay, wait.
I need to assemble a team, but I can't reboot DedSec alone. Let me break into London.
Okay, wait, I'll be right back.
first and see who's-
Look at Joe!
Oh, spider.
What more proof do you need?
Well, Colin, I'd say you have to look at their history of non-violent action. Albion's put more civilians in the hospital in the past few months than DedSec ever has. I smell a scapegoat. Now I have Emily calling in. Emily, what's your take?
You're absolutely right.
Virus.
The government's just framing DedSec because they want to make it seem like they have this under control. They probably have no clue who was behind the bombing.
Oh, what happened?
That doesn't look good on the news, does it? DedSec's been thrown in their side. Who better to pin it on?
Angie, I have you next. What do you make of all this?
I think if anything, DedSec showed their true colors. It's terrifying to think we harbored such a dangerous element for years. Terrorists in our own backyard.
Do you find DedSec more frightening than the different gangs in London like Clan Kelly?
Clan Kelly might set your shop on fire and maybe they'd kill you, but even they wouldn't try to blow up all of Parliament.
There we go. There we go. Doing it.
Crypto King. Do you feel safer using a pseudonym?
Everyone should. Why make it easier for them to track you? And now we've seen what they're capable of and how far they're willing to go.
Hold on. Do you mean that
Yeah, that's yeah.
are you suggesting that
This old woman's just blaming DedSec. She has no proof.
Claire, they didn't do it alone. They're all in on it. The government, Albion, Sirs, Bloom, Skyblood.
Oh, Bloom from Watch Dogs too.
And all the way up to Downing Street. They want to keep us scared. Harness us with mind control. Suck every last ounce of usefulness out of us. And even in death they'll sell off our bodies.
And what do you suggest we do, Crypto King?
Oh, it's Bloom. Bloom from Watch Dogs too. Bloom. We have hacked a tower. Look at the map, guys. That's massive.
Situation is worse than I
Oh.
thought.
Oh, that's not good.
There's a candidate. Looks like you're DedSec's best hope.
Is that me? My 5844. Oh. Whoa, guys. Look at this. Look at this, guys. Crowbar. Look at these. I don't know who to choose. Like, look at the car, goofball. Here, I'll test this out. Okay, we'll try it. We'll do this one. Since she has a super fast car. Here we go. We are DedSec's last hope. Whoa, guys. Welcome to London. Whoa. Something's going on here. There's Bloom Tower. Can I turn off this music?
You're alive. If you're still committed to the cause, DedSec
No.
needs you. I'll send you the coordinates
Map.
to our last safe house. Meet me there.
Fine.
How do I spawn my own personal vehicle? Oh, that's a camera mode. Okay, let me just photo mode. What is this? Oh, blur? Can blur the background. Oh. Okay, I'll play with that later. I don't think I can spawn my car yet. Dude, what's...
Drive now enabled.
There's auto drive. I don't like it.
Now disabled.
I don't like it. It's too slow. Oh. There we go. Okay, my woman, we must go into our base. Right? This is the base, pretty sure.
I downloaded a patch to your optics so you can access our security system. It's set up so that I can't just let someone who isn't DedSec in. You'll have to do the manual override.
I'm not
Oh,
thrilled
whoa,
about getting my
guys.
hands dirty, but I suppose one
I'm
does
good
what
about
one
this.
must.
I'm good at this. I love doing this. It's like original Watch Dogs all over again. I mean, this isn't that hard, really. If anyone really had the skills to do this... My character can't stop running. Okay.
I'll see you downstairs later then.
In for a penny.
Okay, here we go. DedSec. And want a cardboard mask. Oh, whoa. Wait, this looks like DedSec's base in San Francisco.
Pitch black cellar. Just what I was hoping for.
This looks exactly like the base in Watch Dogs 2. 100%. Oh, look at this PCs. These guys, you got some good stuff going on. Wait, why can't I interact? What's my objective? Yeah, interact. Type on that keyboard. Oh yeah, I did get it. I did put in my code. Look at this place. Let's sit on a couch.
DedSec registration detected. Identify yourself, or I'll seal the exits, hack your optic, and read you every drunken email you ever wrote until you starve.
I'm with
Jeez,
Sabine.
Bagley.
Who the hell are you, and why do you sound like a mobile phone?
Sabine's alive. Well, that's one piece of good news. I'm Bagley. DedSec's definitely not stolen, highly advanced AI assistant, and it seems I've been out of commission for a few months. Anyway, why don't you
Isn't
go
that
connect me
so?
to the DedSec network so I can become more powerful than you could possibly imagine? I mean, catch up on what I
I
missed.
turn. Oh, you're clapping. Okay, wait. Let's go to photo mode. Take a picture of this. How do I go down? Oh, tilt. Oh, that's weird. Reset camera. Oh, whoa. No photos available. Okay. Focus. Let's just play around with this. Try to get a nice picture. You know what? Never mind. Actually, yes. That's perfect. How do I shoot? That is our thumbnail, guys. It's really bad, but it's okay. We clap for Bagley. We respect Bagley. So, look at all these computers, though. Really. Okay, so we have officially restarted DedSec.
Ah, that's it. I'm reconnected to the network, downloading our database, news archives, and oh no. Terror group DedSec responsible for deadly bombings in London. Dalton Wolf dead? I leave you people alone for a second and you immediately cock it all up.
So, Bagley, if not DedSec, then who was behind the bombings?
There's a gap in my memory.
Oh, I don't think I was supposed to grab this.
After I disarmed the bomb at Parliament. I'm missing information about what happened after I was taken offline. But from what I can infer, an unknown hacker group identified only as Zero Day was involved. I believe this Zero Day staged the attacks and framed DedSec for their dirty work. Come to my terminal. Sabine is requesting a video call.
Okay. Let's go to our Zoom meeting. Zoom meetings are still they're gonna be here forever. Beautiful TV though.
Patching in Sabine Brandt now. I suggest you listen very closely to anything she has to say.
There you are. I'm glad you made it. Bagley. God, it's good to hear your demented little voice. Is your memory intact?
Not even slightly. The last record I have is of our HQ being raided. My only lead is a group known as Zero Day. Ring any bells?
No. But the HQ was attacked by some men in black, the same that were at Parliament. Maybe working together. We didn't stand a chance. They just gunned everyone down.
My God. How'd you survive?
I managed to escape through the sewers to Camden. A contact smuggled me out of the city, and I've been hiding out in the north since.
Prudent. Your profile is red flagged as a high priority target in the city's surveillance system. Even a partial recognition hit would have you hunted down and shot on sight.
There aren't any DedSec fans in London these days. Look, I want to help, I do, but joining up with you now verges on suicidal.
Listen, if anyone knows anything about risks, it's me. I lost everything and everyone. But it comes down to this. London is in a death spiral. And if DedSec can't pull it out, trust me, no one can. The city needs a resistance.
Let's rise up.
It starts with you.
It does?
What do you say?
Oh, I feel good.
Fine, but you owe me.
Excellent. New user registered. Welcome to DedSec.
Yeah, I'm in DedSec now. Wasn't that interesting?
Now, it would be
I think we can
to
leave.
release you naked and mewling into the wild. You'll find equipment around.
Yeah, okay. Tech points. Oh, you guys know Goofball. He's gonna have fun looking for that.
On the safe house, there are essential items in your DedSec kit.
Okay. Oh, look at this. Ooh, I want to be invisible. Oh, okay. I think I just got it. Okay. Wait, what is this? Oh, okay, here's our operative. Got a nice little car here. Paint job. I don't think, wait a minute, where's my gold? Is this mine? I thought mine's free. I don't know if mine even, I don't think mine qualified yet. That's fine. Okay, I want to get out of here. This place is scary. Very scary. Where's the way out? Where's the way out? Look at all these mannequins. Wait, I can't. The stream thing's in the way. I can't read the objective. Wait. Let me fix it. That's better. Equip your new gadgets on operative menu. Okay, wait, what? How do I go to operatives menu again? Wait, where's gadget menu thing? Where? What button is it? Okay. Options, controller. Oh, controller scheme. AR device / map. Show controls gadgets. Ah, here we go. Equip a gadget on your operative in team menu. How? What button was team menu? Which button is it? Is it this? Oh, here we go. So how do I choose? Oh, gadget. Goodness, I'm so dumb.
We have a sophisticated system for hiding your identity from facial recognition tech. It's called a mask. And while we're here, perhaps we can talk about updating your wardrobe. I mean, look at you. Come on.
I'm too poor. I can't own any of this. I think my stuff didn't load in. Look guys, coronavirus mask.
You've got all these fancy new toys, but it's also important to know the basics. You need to learn how to throw a punch and how to take one. Albion will escalate if you come at them with a gun and shoot you down. We want to avoid collateral damage. In DedSec, we try to use guns only as a last resort.
Have you already met?
Oh, that's why Dalton didn't. Badly if I did. Oh, what is this?
Hit me. You want to get in under my block. Find the weak point. Couldn't have done that better myself.
Yeah, oh.
Just like that. Quick on your feet now.
I don't know why my...
Want to create distance. You're getting it.
Oh. Okay, I'm just gonna get out of the safe house, and then we, Okay, so I'm gonna get...
Brilliant. I'm working out how we find Zero
Okay.
Day and ruin their day, but I need someone with actual legs to do the legwork. Hope you're ready.
Yeah.
Damage control to do if
Not
we
right
change
now,
the
guys.
perception
So, fast as possible. Okay, I'm out. I'm out. Okay. Well, anyways, thank you, guys. I will see you guys. So, guys, I will see you guys in the next episode tomorrow. Good. Bye. Yeah, subscribe to Gatorades and Goofball Bar 486. Check out Wizard's channel down below in the description. Hope you liked this video. Consider subscribing, my friends.